Meaning of hors de combat.
Hors de combat.
Hors de combat.
Hors de combat.
Hors de combat. The phrase hors de combat is a French term that translates literally to out of the fight or out of combat. It is typically used to refer to a person who has been rendered unable to continue fighting due to injuries or other incapacitation. In broader usage, it can also refer to anything that is rendered inoperable or ineffective. For example, a damaged aircraft might be considered hors de combat if it is unable to continue flying. Essentially, the phrase implies that the subject is no longer a viable participant in whatever conflict or activity they were previously engaged in.